Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to install Qwen CLI tool in Windows 11 to use that and create our projects. So let's try it. Okay, this is an alternative for other AI editors like Claude and others. So let's try it and use it. First of all, we will search Qwen CLI. So after searching that, the first GitHub repository, we will open it. So let's press the first GitHub repository and open this repository. So here you will see that, come here down. So it says GitHub rendering second repository of the day. So here you will see the Qwen source model. This is an open source AI model. So look at it, just come here down. So here it says multiple protocol OAuth free tier and 1000 free requests per day. You will get 1000 free requests in a day. Open source co-evolving authenticate terminal first, IDE friendly. You can just use it with VS Code, JetBrains and other IDEs also. So to install it, for that come here down and we will use npm to install it. So first of all, you need Node.js to have on your PC. To check the visibility, the version of Node.js, we will come here to the CMD and simply we will write Node-v. So the version is 2022. So let's close it and come here and we will now we will use npm install -g. It means that globally Qwen Code Athletics. So let's copy this command and we will move to the CMD and install this. Right click to paste this. So after pasting that, let's press enter to install Qwen Code CLI. So let's wait and pause video until it complete the installation. So the installation has been completed. So now let's try it. Okay, it says enter a command. So for entering, let's press enter and just come here down. So let's wait, let's close this and open a CMD once again, and here we will check the version of Qwen -v. So we will check the version of Qwen. So look at the version 0.10. Now let's run it. Okay, so to run it, for that we will simply write Qwen and press enter. So it will open the CLI Qwen. So look at, we have this CLI version of Qwen Code. So come here down, you are running Qwen Code in your home directory. So to open it in another directory, so for that I will create an empty folder. Inside that I will open this Qwen Code CLI. So I named it Qwen. So let's open CMD. In this directory I will close the previous one. In this one here, simply I will write Qwen and press enter. So it will open now again the Qwen CLI tool. So after opening this, it says how would you like to authenticate for this project, Qwen Auth or API key. So we will use Qwen Auth. Okay, press select, the first one is selected, so we will press enter. So it says for auth, so it will move to the Chrome browser or any other browser, and it will move us to the Qwen.ai website, and there we will do just authentication. It means we will create an account if you don't have. So I don't have account, I will create first of all an account, then I will authenticate it. So it says log in to Qwen or create your account. So I will create my account. Okay, I will continue with Google. So it says, yeah, we will select our Google account. Yeah, continue. So yes, confirm. So you are logged in. So we will see, confirm that you want to log in Qwen Code. Yes, confirm that. Yeah, authentication is successful. It means we successfully authenticated. So now let's move back to our CLI. So look at authenticated successfully with Qwen OAuth credentials. So now it says type your message or file path, whatever you want. Okay, so for example, I will ask hi, simply ask a question like hi. It will just respond me something like, hi, how can I help you today? So let's ask from this, we would like to have a developer portfolio website using HTML and CSS. So yes, press enter. So it will try to make this project inside the folder that we opened, this CLI tool. I will create a modern developer portfolio website using HTML and CSS. Let me build a complete professional portfolio with section for about, skills, projects, and contacts. So let's wait, it will complete everything for us. So it completed the code. It says apply these changes, yes, allow once, yes, allow always. So the first one, press enter to allow this, apply these changes, yes. Yes, so it will apply those changes and create those files for our developer portfolio. Let's wait. Yeah, it will complete it. It completed features. It has these features. Let's open that folder. So look at, it has portfolio, and inside the portfolio we have HTML and index CSS file. So let's open the HTML one. So let's open it with the Chrome. So look at, that has been opened. So look at, this new portfolio has been created. Look at Qwen portfolio index.html. I am John Doe, and like this. Here you can place your image and about me. Look at, this is the section of about me, skills and technologies that I have a feature and project. Look at, these are the project section, get in touch, the contact section, and the footer. So here these are enabled also. So it was all about the CLI tool of Qwen that we used, and we can just integrate it with the VS Code or any other IDE also. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment down, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.